Hi Mrs Mitchell's group. Today we're going to be looking at missing numbers on a number line. Your warm-up task is to look at this number line on the screen and work out which numbers are missing from the number line. Tell your parent or brother or sister the numbers that are missing. Pause the video while you do this. Okay, so I've got to think about what the number line is actually going up in. So if I look at the numbers that are next to each other, that are filled in, 17 and 18, 27 and 28, they're next to each other in the number system. So it means it's just going up in ones, and I can double check. 10, 11, 12. Yes. So it's 11, 13, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 23, 25, 26 and 29. Now do the same for these missing numbers. Pause the video while you tell a parent or a brother or sister the numbers that are missing on the number line. So I've got 17, 18, 19. They're next to each other in the number system, which means it's just going up in ones. So before that would be one less, 16. Before that, one less, which is 15. So I've got 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 25, 26, 27, 28, and then 30 at the end. And looking at the numbers that are next to each other, 18, 19, 20, again they're just going up in ones. So I'd have here 21, 22, 25, 26, 29, and then going backwards in ones, so 30, 29, 28, I have 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and 10 here. But here, 15, 16, 17 next to each other. So that means that this one's also going up in ones. So if that's 12, one before that is 11, one before that is 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30 is at the end. Well done if you got that right. Now let's have a look at these ones. We're going to try these together. These are all taken from number lines. You've got to think about what numbers are next to each other and then what number would go in the gap. So we've got 14, 15, something, 17. 14, 15, it's 16, they're just going up in ones. 25, 26, they're next to each other in the number system. So one more than 25 is 26, one more than 26 is 27. Going backwards, 27, 26, 25, 24. 36, 37, 38, 48, we've got to go backwards to fill in the ones before it. 47, 46, 58, 57, 56. So they're taken from number lines, which means that they're just going up in ones. Now you try. So work out what numbers are in the gaps. I want you to write them down, for example, like this. So copy the sequence, but draw a line on a piece of paper to show what number will go in the gap, and then write the number that goes in the gap. Pause the video while you work out all the missing numbers by writing them down. So I've got 83, 84, 85, 86, 93, 94, 95, 96. Before 10 I've got 9, and then 8, 20, 19, 18, 28, 29, 30. Well done if you got those right. What does this sequence increase by each time? I've put this 100 square here to help you if you need it. So let's mark on here what numbers are shown already. We've got 16, 18 and 20 written without any gaps in the middle of them. So to work out what that's going up in, what you could do is put your number on 16, put your finger on 16 and jump until you get to 18. How many jumps is it? 1, 2. How many jumps is it? 1, 2. Which means it's going up in twos. So then what are the numbers in the gaps? 16, 18, 20, add 2 is 22, add 2 is 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. And if you wanted to, you could keep drawing on the 100 square all the numbers that are in the gaps. Now try these. So what is the sequence increasing by and what are the missing numbers? And if you like, you can look at this 100 square to help you. Pause the video while you do this. So if I was going to use my 100 square, I could mark on the ones that are already there to work out what it's going up in. 10, 15, 20. Put my finger on 10 and count how many it is to get to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm adding on 5 every time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just the 5 times table, isn't it? So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Now this is a different one. What's it going up in? 85, 86, 87. They're just going up in ones, aren't they? So it's 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Well done if you got those right. Now your last task, which is a tricky challenge, is to try and work out what the missing numbers are. So you've got to look at what you've already got. 50 something, 150, 200 something something, 350 something, 450 something, and then this one is going backwards. Pause the video while you try and work out what numbers are missing. So by looking at the numbers that are next to each other, I can see that if I cross out the zeros and went with 15 and 20, 15 add 5 is 20. But if I put the zeros back on, it's not add 5, it's actually add 50. So we're adding on 50 every time. 50 add 50 is 100. Add 50 is 150. Add 50 is 200. 250. 300. 350. 400. 450. 500. Now this one is going backwards, also in 50s. Look, if I cover the zeros, 75, 70, 65. 75 take away 5 is 70. So put the 0 back on, you're taking away 5 tens, which is 50. See if you can work this one out if you haven't already. 750, 700, 650, 600, 550, 500, 450, 400, 350. I'm trying to find the one at the end, I've got to work backwards. 600, 650, 700, 750, 800. That was a tricky one, wasn't it? I will see you tomorrow for the last lesson.